What's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. Alrighty, guys. So before we get started with the upcoming mint I have for you guys today, I want to show you guys the confirmed projects to be on OpenSea. First one I want to say is sets on crack. I'm super bullish on this. If we go back here on Magic Eden, we see they are at a 28.5 floor price. Around 3 days ago, they were just at 20, and that's when I called them. That's when I was telling you guys to buy in. If you guys bought in during that time and sold right now, you'll be at around 8.5 SOL profit, which is pretty much around 1K. Another project I am bullish on for this OpenSea integration is Yaku. And they're not that much at a high price right now. As you could see, they are at 5.65 and their Capsule X is at 7.45. The team is working hard behind the scenes. Trust me, you guys, you do not want to miss out on this project. Of course, there are more projects that I feel it's a perfect time to buy in because they did dip. For example, let's go with Raptors. Zazon Raptors. They were at like last week. I think they were at like 30 SOL floor price. They're half of that. They're at 16.5. I think they are gonna go up, you guys. I think they're gonna go back up for sure. I'll buy in right now. Try to make a good play, a quick flip. I actually sent this one in my Discord when it was around 15. So you already see a 1.5 SOL profit in I mentioned it like 10 hours ago. Of course, you don't want to sell now. You want to wait a little bit more profit, of course. So let's go back here. What else do we have here? Tombstone High Society. I've been mentioning that as well. I see them at a 20 SOL floor price. The team is working hard. They have staking coming out. Frank, if you guys don't know who DIFFRENT is, he's one of the persons from D Gods. He actually mentioned Tombstone here. Let's check their announcements. And let me show you guys real quick. Let's go. So, it's not even here. I think it's a minor announcement. Well, yeah, he mentioned it somewhere, you guys. For sure, he says Tombstone, they're undervalued right now, and I see that as well. They are undervalued at the moment. What other projects? Trash Pandas. I've seen some influencers as well on Twitter talk about this one. And yeah, that's about it. There are other projects. You guys go ahead, check. If you have time, join my Discord, you guys. I give alpha calls there. And check out this list as well. Check out every project. Go inside their Discord, ask questions, see if the devs are active, see if they're even if the community is active. Check all that. Check their future plans. Check what is going on, you guys. Of course, we know Portal's really big one. Go ahead and check that out. So let's go now ahead to the upcoming project I have for you guys for this video. I usually have two, but today I will just have one since I already took most of your time up in the beginning of the video, and it is Decimus Dynamics. All right, so the art, it looks cool. I like it a lot. I see right now that the staking meta is kind of gone, you guys. Not kind of gone, it's still there, but not that many people care right now. I feel like we're going to some sort of like community meta. As you could see, a lot of projects with strong communities are pumping so much. As you could see with Tombstone's sets on crack, they are pumping a lot. Tombstone even came out with staking, and they didn't even pump, to be honest. It's all community. The communities is pumping the projects. They're the ones over there on Twitter talking about how good the projects are and everything. So let's continue with Decimus Dynamics. Let me go ahead and show you guys their Discord here, which is here. So their mint price is at 2 SOL. Mint date is April 9th, which is 5 days away. So the team looks pretty solid from what they said. The devs, pretty solid, you guys. The chat seems really active. That the community managers actually talk to a lot. I mean that is their job. Devs are pretty as well interactive. Let's go ahead and show you guys the roadmap here. Of course, we already know this, the March, the roadmap, but April, pretty basic, you guys. Staking platform, of course. Uh, Announcements of additional revenue streams and liquidity deployment. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna mint this yet. I'll have my eye on it for sure. I don't have whitelist for this, so I'll see how it goes. I'll see how the community is, you guys. I feel like we're going into that meta. Let me show you guys more sneak peeks. There's some FAQs here if you have any questions. And the mint price is, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is quite expensive with the price of Solana. I think we're at like what, 130 right now. So maybe it won't even mint that fast. We'll see. Right now, I feel like the long-term plays are the way to go. I haven't been doing that many short-term plays, but like I always say, you guys do your own research and check out all the other projects. That is all. I do want to make a video as well on Cosmic Ape Crusaders. I saw one of my favorite influencers tweet about this. I'm gonna check it out myself. I gotta do a little more research, and probably I'll post a video about it tomorrow, you guys. But go ahead, join my Discord. I'll do some alpha calls there. I'm gonna make an Excel sheet tonight, you guys, on some of the projects that I am gonna buy. I'm gonna start probably doing a 1 to 10 soul challenge. We'll see how this goes, you guys. But the art, I like it, you guys. But go ahead, check out other projects. This OpenSea integration might be big. It might not be that big, you guys. Some projects will fail. Some projects will freaking explode. It all depends, you guys. Everything has its risks, but play it smart, you guys. Do your own research, and that's all for me. You guys have a great one. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, peace.